Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a cyclone in Blender. This is an example of what we're going to make in this video. So, to make it, first, add a cylinder, go to edit mode, loop cut, 20, right click and select some face paths. To select the path, first left click, then hold Control key on the keyboard and left click again. Great! Now press Ctrl and I keys on the keyboard, Shift and left click this bottom face and then delete faces. Now select this bottom face, press O on the keyboard, S0 and set the proportional fall off to sphere and set the proportional size to somewhere about 1.8. Now go to Weight Paint, choose Gradient, now go to Object Mode, add a modifier of Solidify, use Group as the vertex group. Now press Ctrl and 2 keys on the keyboard to set a subdivision surface of 2. Bring up the thickness of the Solidify modifier and shade smooth. Now add a single bone, subdivide it by 2, select this object, Shift select the armature, Ctrl P with automatic weights. Now go to animation room, I have a graph editor here, I whole character. Go a few frames forward. I whole character again. Go forward on the timeline. I whole character. I whole character. Now A to select all of the bones. Select these keyframes, Shift D to duplicate them, and bring them forward on the timeline. Now I select these keyframes, T, linear, now I open up a nonlinear animation window, push down this action. Now I go to the sidebar menu, strip, action clip, and now I can repeat this action. As you can see, we get that. Now, in object mode, go to animation room, when you have this object selected, rotation, go 10 frames forward on this timeline, R, Z, 180, R rotation, again 10 frames forward, and RZ 180, and R rotation again. Now select all these keyframes, T, linear, and push down this action to repeat, great. And the only thing to do is to move it. So add a curve, go to edit mode, delete vertices, choose draw, and draw a curve. Now go to Object Data Properties, Path Animation. You can change the frames, that is how long it takes for this to complete this path. I'm going to set it to 397 since that is my end frame. Now select this, shift and select this curve, Control P, follow path. Now, if you play the animation, you can see that this is a cyclone. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.